That looked like it was perfect. Okay, so here he goes doing the same thing he did before. He's going to try to use the thrust to weight at a ratio of the F-15 against the Jeff. It's a smart idea. I don't think I can keep up with him here. This isn't looking good. Once again, you know, we talked about this in the last round. I can't just ditch out. If I ditch out, you know, he'll come up behind me and I'll die. So I'm kind of committed here. Come on. And he's going to try to drop that nose any minute now. Oh, he's so slow. Here he comes. I'm not sure I like what I'm seeing.